All right, we want to begin with the latest testimony in the Karen Read murder trial, everyone. Good morning. Thanks for being with us. I'm Melody Mendez.
And I'm Colton Bradford. Again, this is happening as we speak. Karen Read charged with the murder of her Boston police officer boyfriend, Mr. John O'Keefe. And today, someone who is claiming to be a friend of the victim, John O'Keefe, is on the stand talking about the night that O'Keefe was allegedly killed. NBC 10's Manoj Kwangari live for us outside the court in Dedham with the details this morning. Manoj.
Well, all the attention has turned to the night of January 28th, 2022. John O'Keefe was found dead the morning after outside of a home on Fairview Road in Canton. That home was owned by a man named Brian Albert. Well, today we got to hear from Chris Albert, Brian Albert's brother, who actually texted John O'Keefe to go out that night in question. He describes a fun night out bar hopping with a crowd that included his wife, Karen Read, O'Keefe, and Brian Albert. They were all drinking alcohol, he says, but he noted Karen Read did not seem drunk. But that night wasn't the focus of the defense during cross-examination, but rather the ties Albert's family has with people involved in Karen's case, including Trooper Michael Proctor, who ended up serving as the lead investigator.
You also knew Michael Proctor prior to January 29th of 2022, correct?
Correct.
Lieutenant Lank has been a friend of yours for years, correct?
Yes.
We've established that you know former police chief Kenneth Berkowitz.
I know Kenny, yep.
Now, the defense believes it's because of those connections that ultimately led to Karen Read being framed by law enforcement. As far as the prosecution is concerned, they've been keeping their tactics hidden, but they have made an insinuation that Karen Read and John O'Keefe may have had some problems behind closed doors. Right now, we're live here in Dedham. Manoj Kwangari, NBC 10 Boston.